First and foremost, we are going to look into the introduction of machine learning. So, what is machine learning? Well, machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that allows computer to learn from data. This system analyzes a large datasets, identifies patterns, and improves its performance with experience instead of being programmed for every single task. This process is also known as training. Well, how does actually a machine learning work? Machine learning starts with data collection. This data can be collected from various sources. Data is basically the foundation for everything. Thus, the quality and the quantity of data determine how well the systems will perform. After the data is collected, then only we can do the data pre-processing, which means the data will be cleaned by removing duplicates, fixing errors, and organizing it into the right format for the model. Then, we choose the right model. To choose the right model, it all depends on the complexity of the problems and the resources or the data available to solve the problems. After choosing a model, then only we can start training it by feeding in data and letting it adjust its parameters to make better predictions. The most important thing is to avoid overfitting, which is when the model will memorize the data instead of analyzing it to solve the problems, or underfitting, where it will perform poorly overall due to insufficient data. Once it is done with the training, the model must be continuously evaluated to ensure it remains effective over time. The second last step is optimization. This is when we tune the hyperparameters to improve the accuracy of the model. Lastly, the model is finally deployed so it can generate real-time predictions in the real world. At this stage, monitoring consistently is important to maintain its reliability. Finally, from me is the types of machine learning. There are three types in general of machine learning. The first one is supervised learning. This is when the model relearns from labeled data and tries to predict the correct outcomes. These include variations like semi-supervised and self-supervised learning. The second one is unsupervised learning, which doesn't use labels, but instead it will find hidden patterns and relationships within the data to relate and solve the problems. The third, and also the last types of machine learning, is reinforcement learning. This is when the systems will learn by interacting with its environment, receiving feedbacks in the forms of reward or penalties to improve its decision over time.
Then I will continue to explain about the machine learning application. So one of the most common machine learning application is used as a product recommendation. Product recommendation is helpful ways which is allowed to analyze customer behavior and also preference. This website actually pay attention to what you do like shop, like what you bought, what you search, or what you add to cart. Then use the information to guess what are the products you might interest. So for example, we have a streaming platform like Netflix and also Spotify. So move on to the next application, which is language translation. So actually, machine learning helps computer understand and translate one language to another, which make the communication easier. So this has actually made life easier for students, traveler, and also business people. This system behind is called machine translation, and it's worked by learning from a lot of example text. For instance, we have a Google Translate and also a Microsoft Translate. As for third application is healthcare and medical service. So we can see that many hospitals are now using to improve their managed team, like predicting how long patient needs to wait for emergency room. It helps healthcare faster, smart, and also more accurate, which why it becoming one of the most tools in modern machine. So for example, we have disease diagnosis for machine learning to analyze the X-ray or also a CT scans. And last but not least, machine learning used for smart assistant and human interaction. It helps systems understand human language, speech, and also actions. By learning from past interaction, the system can improve and give more accurate answer over time. For example, we have Siri, Alexa, and also Google Assistant.
Now, let's take a look at the benefits of machine learning. These are the 6 major benefits of machine learning. Let's take a look at them one by one. First, machine learning helps in predicting trends by analyzing past data, which allows businesses and researchers to make smarter decisions. Second, it is used for recognizing images, such as identifying objects or even faces in pictures, which is useful in security and research. Third, machine learning powers autonomous bicycles by helping them detect their surroundings and move safely without human control. Fourth, it improves advertising and marketing by analyzing customer behavior and showing ads to people mostly likely to buy. Fifth, machine learning helps companies improve their products by analyzing customer feedback and data to understand what features people like and what changes customers want. Finally, machine learning helps in fraud detection by spotting unusual patterns in financial transactions to prevent theft or scams.
I will be presenting major trends of machine learning. Outline 5 machine learning trends we believe will unfold in the next few decades. Thus, by learning through direct interaction with dynamic environments to maximize rewards, reinforcement learning RL is uniquely able to solve complex, unpredictable problems, driving future breakthroughs in intelligent automation and resource optimization. Besides, automated machine learning is paving the way for a no-code future by automating complex tasks, making it possible for non-experts to build and integrate powerful AI models. In addition, to meet the demands of growing cloud data, Distributed machine learning is evolving to make algorithms more portable, allowing them to run efficiently across different platforms without needing to be rebuilt. On the other hand, powered by quantum processors, future all-purpose AI models will become more scalable and efficient, allowing a single model to handle diverse tasks across multiple domains at once. Lastly, the fusion of AI and quantum computing delivers unparalleled speed and intelligence to solve complex problems and analyze massive datasets. Machine learning should be used as a powerful tool to help people and solve real-world problems ethically and responsibly. That's all from us. Thank you.